topic will be divided into three main points. Firstly, I am going to tell you about the alien life. Secondly, I am going to tell you about some interesting facts about UFOs. And in the end of my presentation, I would like to tell you about some interesting facts from the history of space. So let me to start. Our universe is very old, it's about 15 billion years old, and our galaxy is very big, it's about 100,000 light years. Our galaxy is called Milky Way, and in our solar system there are 9 planets. The smallest is Pluto, the biggest is Jupiter, and the hottest is Venus. Saying about alien life, NASA has sent a lot of spaceships to the other planet out of our solar system. They landed on them and then sent back images and information to Earth. So scientists have found sightings of water on Mars and ice at the pole of the Moon. So far scientists have discovered about 100 planets out of our solar system. They think that there is a 30% chance that life could exist on the planet similar to Earth. Mars rover Opportunity has done a survey at the Eagle crater and it has shown that there was definitely water in past on Mars. There is a program to look for radio signals from space, but scientists have never received a message. People have made a lot of reports of UFOs around the world, but scientists have never found these reports to be true. There are some truly facts about UFOs. For example, thousands of people around the world say that they have seen aliens. These include a lot of professional people. Those stories are very similar. They describe circular, grey, big spaceships which have lights and they can fly very fast. People have taken a lot of photos of them, and there are many radar images too. Intelligent aliens probably have advanced technologies. Those spaceships can travel long distances at near the speed of light. There are also some facts against. There is no scientific proof of alien spaceships. There are no clear photos of them, and many of them are obviously false. And there are a lot of natural explanations of UFOs, for UFOs. For example, insects, meteors, comets, stars, clouds, and so forth. And there are also human explanations for UFOs. For example, aeroplanes, parachutes, weather balloons. And of course, space travel between different solar systems is very difficult. Our nearest star, Alpha Centauri, is 73,000 years away for our spaceships. And in the end of my presentation, I would like to tell you about history of space. The history of space exploration in Russia started with Konstantin Tsiolkovsky. He never built or launched a rocket, but he was the first person to understand the main ideas behind rocket science as early 1903. He solved and predicted many of the problems in rockets engineering, and he made designs for several rockets. It was nearly 16 years before Tsiolkovsky's dream became true. On 12th of April in 1961, at exactly 9:07, Vostok 1 lifted off for its 108-minute flight. There was one person inside, Yuri Gagarin, Soviet pilot and the first person in the world to fly into the outer space. During his one orbit around the Earth, he had some food and some water, so he was also the first person who drink and eat in the conditions of weightlessness. In 1990s, Russian scientists started thinking about sending tourists into outer space. The world's first space tourist was American millionaire Dennis Tito. He went on 8-day holiday in May in 2001, and he also visited the International Space Station, and afterwards he landed in Kazakhstan with two other members of flight team. Space scientists are now discussing the new ideas. Two big holidays with trip around the moon. Maybe it is a new kind of future tourism. Who knows? Thank you for your attention. If you have any questions, I'll be ready to answer them.
Thank you very much. And tell me please, would you like to become a space tourist?
No, I wouldn't, because it is very dangerous.
What about you? Do you believe in UFOs?
On the one hand, I believe, because there are some true facts, like as many people say that they have seen aliens and they have taken photos of them, but on the other hand, there is no scientific proof of alien spaceships. These photos can be obviously false, and they are often not clear.
What do you know about the International Space Station?
I know Alpha is size of 3 houses. The people on it eat normal food, but they don't eat salt and pepper because it flies out. They wear normal clothes like a t-shirt, trousers or short and shorts, and they do physical exercises for 30 minutes every day.
And what kind of work do they do?
They do researches, they do experiments, they do repairs and building work outside the station.
Thank you very much.